I've always dreamed of having a dishwasher in my home someday. But since I've never actually used one before, I've always been curious. Can a dishwasher really clean dishes as well as washing them by hand? I've heard that a Bosch dishwasher costs around 15 million Vietnamese dong. For me, that's quite a lot of money, almost several months of savings. On top of that, people say you need special dishwasher tablets, rinse aid, and dishwasher salt, and each wash cycle can take quite a while. So for now, I still stick to the traditional way of washing dishes by hand, to save dish soap and avoid that slippery feeling on my hands. I usually put a small amount of dishwashing liquid into a bowl, add some water, and mix it until it becomes foamy. That small amount is enough to wash an entire sink full of dishes. When washing, I always sort everything by how dirty it is. The cleaner dishes, like rice bowls with little grease, get washed first. Then come the soup bowls and plates that have more oil and food residue. As for chopsticks, I make sure to scrub the tips thoroughly to remove any rice or food that might be stuck to them. For pots, using this mesh sponge. It creates lots of foam, helps save dish soap, and cleans very well, even if it doesn't look very fancy. For pots with burnt-on stains or stubborn dirt, I use this trusty steel scrubber. A few minutes of scrubbing and they're clean again. Once everything is washed, I simply rinse off the soap, clean the sink, and tidy up the kitchen. There's something satisfying about seeing a sink full of clean, neatly arranged dishes. What about in your country? Do people still wash dishes by hand like I do? Or do most families use dishwashers these days? As for me, I still hope that one day I'll be able to own a dishwasher. And when that day comes, I'll definitely make a review video and share my honest experience with all of you. Hipper.